Hello, welcome back to Mark's House and Garden UK. This is my hoe and this is my rake, and this is a series of short videos in which I demonstrate my essential gardening tools. The hoe is brilliant for slicing up the weeds, and of course the rake is brilliant for gathering them up. It's also good for taking stones out of surface soil. My hope here is that you might see fit to clicking through to my Amazon storefront. Anything you buy will result in a small commission to me, and that makes my YouTube channel more sustainable, so I really do appreciate your support. And of course the brilliant thing is, it doesn't have to be a gardening product. Anything you purchase in that shopping session will result in me getting paid a few pennies, and it all mounts up. So once again, thanks for your support, and have a look at my Amazon storefront. There's a link below this video, and there'll be a link coming up just here. I'll see you soon for some more gardening tool essential adventures. Bye for now.